Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Marjorie, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this super cute Limeade cut crease. I'm just using my facial razor just to clean up my eyebrows before I apply my Born This Way concealer in the color Deep Tan with my BH Cosmetics concealer brush, just to conceal that eyebrow to give me a baseline of where I need to apply my eyebrow pomade to fill my brows in. Next, I'm going to go in with my Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer just to make sure that when I apply my eyeshadow, that lid does not crease. Then I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade in the color Ebony, using my eyebrow pencil to go ahead and fill in those brows. I like to start at the tail of my brow first to fill them in, and then I use hair-like strokes in the middle portion of my brow just to give that nice faded look. Once I'm done filling in my brows, I'm just going to use that Born This Way concealer to just conceal the top portion of my brow and to make sure that those lines are nice and clean. Once I'm done concealing my brow, I'm just going to take my blending brush and just blend that concealer out very nicely. And on the inner portion of my brow, I'm just going to make sure that that's nice and faded and doesn't have any harsh lines. Then I'm going to take that Born This Way concealer once more and pop that all over my lid and blend that out just to use this as an extra primer aside from the Thank Me Later primer that I've already used. And this will ensure that the colors I'm using on my eyelid really push through and pop. Then using my Morphe M405 palette, I am going to be going in to my crease with this brown shade using my Morphe blending brush. Then taking that deeper brown shade using my smaller tapered Morphe brush, I'm just going to pop that right into my crease just to deepen that crease. Then going back in with that first blending brush, I'm just going to blend those two colors out just so that there are no harsh lines. Then I'm going to go back in with my BH Cosmetics concealer brush, and I'm just going to carve out that cut crease. Then I'm going to take that lime green shade and I'm just going to pop that all over my lid using my BH Cosmetics eyeshadow brush. Then I'm going to take that deeper forest green and I'm just going to pop that on the outer corner of my lid just to give me a deeper look. Taking that same forest green color, I'm just going to deepen my crease back up from when we applied the lime green eyeshadow. Then I'm going to go back in with that lime green shade and just fill in where I do not want that forest green shade to pop through. I just want it to be in my deeper crease and on the outer portion of my eye. Here I'm just wiping away excess fallout so that when I apply my foundation, I don't have any eyeshadow on my under eye. Here I'm just applying a nice thin line of eyeliner with my Nano eyeliner that I got from Ulta Beauty, and this just takes me a while sometimes because my eye is concave shaped, so it takes me a while to actually get my eyeliner in my wing right. If you guys struggle with putting eyeliner on, you can always use tape. However, I didn't have any tape, so I just had to make sure that my lines are nice and clean and take my time, and it's okay if you mess up because I'm going back in, as you can see, with my Born This Way concealer, and I'm just cleaning up that wing a little bit just to make it look nice and sharp. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color Coconut, and this is matte, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. And near that wing, I'm just going to take my time and really make sure that that foundation is really under there, but that I don't mess my wing up.
Foolish game. Life's a foolish game. Hey, life's a foolish game.
Next, I'm just going to highlight my under eye and my chin and my nose and my forehead.
Do you ever feel the same? Life's a foolish game. Do you ever feel the same?
Now I'm taking my MAC Beauty Blender using the pointed portion of the Beauty Blender. I'm just going to blend that out nicely.
Life's a foolish game. Do you ever feel the same? Life's a foolish game. Do you ever feel the same?
Then using my Fenty Beauty Contour Kit, I'm just going to contour the hollows of my cheeks and my chin, my nose, and my forehead. Using my Morphe blending brush, I'm just going to go ahead and blend that contour out nicely.
Life's a foolish game. Do you ever feel the same? Well, maybe we could change. Life's a foolish game. Turn the ship another way. Feel it in the darkness. We're sailing right into those jagged cliffs.
Then I'm just going to take my Revolution Banana Baking Powder and I'm just going to use this to set my under eye and everywhere else that I apply concealer to brighten my face.
Simple equation, running close system. Natural world gone missing. Plus all our CO2 emissions equals degradation. Wasting ships and mass extinction. But maybe we can change. We sure can't stay the same. 'Cause life's a foolish, foolish game.
After letting that sit for about 5 minutes to bake, I go ahead and sweep the excess baking powder off.
Possible solution, rewire our connection. Maybe less consumption. Imagine from the mind of isolation. Revalue all that we've been given. God don't work on commission. We make up one big breathing chain. We're quite the same. Here life's a foolish, foolish game.
Then I go ahead and set my face with my Urban Decay setting spray, and I love this stuff because it changes with the climate of your temperature outside, and if you start sweating, it changes with that too, and it allows you to wear your makeup all day, especially if you have oily skin once you apply your makeup on. But then I'm just going to go in with my Milani highlighter using my Morphe fan brush.
Foolish game. Life's a foolish game. Hey, life's a foolish game. Life's a foolish game. Life's a foolish game. Do you ever feel the same?
Then taking my Essence Mascara Volume Lash, I'm just going to apply this to my lashes because I'm not going to put lashes on because my lashes are already long, and usually when I apply my mascara, it just enhances them. Then I'm going to apply my NYX black eyeliner to my waterline just to give me a darker look around my eyes, just to make my eyes pop. Then taking my NYX lip liner in the color black, I'm just going to line my lips before I apply my lipstick. I don't know why, but lately I've just been really feeling the black lip liner or the brown lip liner because I don't know, I just love it.
Life's a foolish game. Do you ever feel the same? Well, maybe we could change. Life's a foolish game. Turn the ship another way. Feel it in the darkness. We're sailing right into those jagged cliffs. Some say we've always been insane. Hey, life's a foolish game.
And guys, that is the final look. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my channel. Make sure if you guys like this video, you give me a big thumbs up. Make sure if you have not already done so to subscribe to my channel, and make sure you press that notifications button so that you will get notified each and every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much again, guys, and I'll see you next time.